Good morning, students, and welcome you again to the online class of Monbretia School. And I'm here to take the class of English Literature Standard 7. Already we have started the chapter, and today I'll continue with the same chapter. So let's start with the class and open your book. So we have started the chapter. The chapter is Master Artist, where we have seen that Mr. La Abe already started doing the portrait of Mr. Bertoli. Okay, but he said that he can watch his portrait when he will finish it. So let's start. So half the year, that means 6 months crossed, and still he is not finished his portrait. And so one day, Mr. Bertoli, with full frustration, he came and he asked and he told him that today he will going to watch the portrait. Stepping out from behind the cloth, as though surprised by such anger, Monsieur, as I told you, it's a French word which means Mr. La Abbe said calmly, "That's fine. You needed only to request it." And he pulled aside the 20-foot tall curtain. So when he saw that he is very angry, he said that you just request me and I will do the rest. So he then removed the curtain and he showed him the painting. Giuliano Bertoli stood for a minute. Then his mouth fell open, his eyes turned red, and he grabbed what few hairs he had left on his head. When he saw the painting, he was so much in anger that he couldn't believe what he did, because he did not like the painting at all. He did a little hop and then a twitch, and his eyebrows twisted as though he was under a spell. Giuliano Bertoli obviously did not like his portrait, not a bit. Giuliano Bertoli was enraged. That means he was furious to watch his painting and he did not like it at all. And he was surprised that half the year, that means 6 months, he did all these type of things on the wall. How absurd. Absurd means ridiculous. And how disgusting. What does this mean? You will not receive any money. Do you hear? None. You are not an artist, maybe a thief or a madman. So what he said, that I will not going to pay you a penny also, because whatever you did, I didn't like it at all. Either you are a thief or you are a madman. Get out of my sight. That means he told him to go away from his house. You will leave my house tonight or I'll have you thrown out. So he ordered the artist to leave his house, or else he will make him out from his house. So what had Monsieur L'Abbe drawn that was wrong? He couldn't see it. He'd first and fixed for so long. It was his 20-foot tall masterpiece. Now, according to the master artist, that is L'Abbe, it was his masterpiece. He didn't consider it to be a waste. He wasn't sorry that he had drawn to his heart's content his way, no matter what anybody could say. So he said to himself that I don't care what you are saying, but for me it's my masterpiece that I did for at this time. Perhaps his patron couldn't tolerate his cubist expression, but Pablo Picasso would have been proud of him. Now, why Mr. Bertoli didn't like his painting? Because the painting was done in cubist expression. The cubist is a form of modern painting. It's a technique of modern painting where geometric shapes are used in doing the paintings, and that is what he used here, and that is the reason why Mr. Bertoli didn't like the painting. If truth be told, Monsieur L'Abbe wasn't crazy, not at all. He had simply been born 500 years too early. So if we can go through the painting, he has not done anything wrong. He has definitely done a good job. The only thing is that whatever he did, that is in the form of a modern art, and that is why Mr. Bertoli couldn't accept the painting. But for him, it was his masterpiece. I hope you have understood the chapter. So your chapter is finished, and now you will going to do the you will going to read the chapter, and then if you are having any queries or any problems regarding the chapter, you mark it. When we'll meet during the regular classes, I'll clarify all your doubts and mistakes. And your spelling homework will be you will going to learn the spellings of page 2 and page 3 and 4. Thank you.